Hey YouTube, what's going on? I just want to bring you guys a quick tutorial, and we're going to be talking about double bottoms. The reason I want to talk about this is because in many charts you will find this pattern, and this is a great opportunity to put in your money to ride it up for further gains. So I'm going to read this to you. It is by onlinetradingconcepts.com, and this is something to look out for. So on this chart you can see right here how we had this massive sell-off. We came down. Then we went back up, then we came back down to the same point. So we tested that lower support twice. And once we had that, we had a run up. And when we broke this overall neckline, this confirmation line that you see right here, the price ran. And it's really important that you pay attention to it breaking that neckline, because you could always go up to the neckline and then bounce back down, because there's such things as triple bottoms, or you could just have the whole pattern fall apart. So it's really important that you wait for the break of that neckline and good confirmation. And typically what happens, guys, you have a nice run after that. And it says after trend line break in a double bottom pattern, a retracement back to the trend line is very possible. So there's a lot of times you'll come up and then you'll come back down and you'll test it again. So be very careful of that. And then I wanted to read a little bit of this to you. To create a double bottom pattern, price begins in a downtrend, stops, and then reverses trend. However, the reversal to the upside is short. Price breaks again to the downside only to stop again in reverse directions upward. With the second bottom of the double bottom pattern, it is usually more bullish if the second low is higher than the first low. So that would be this one up a little bit more than this one right here. Then it says double bottom potential buy signal. A potential buy signal is given when the confirmation line is penetrated to the upside. The confirmation line is drawn across the top of the double bottom pattern, so you also hear it referred to as the neckline. Often after price penetrates the confirmation line, price will retrace for a short time, sometimes back to the confirmation line. This retracement offers a second chance to get into the market for longs. So here's some more right here, guys. You can see this here. There's a massive gap down. We hit this bottom. We came up. Then we went back down, then we came back up, and we broke through this confirmation line on a gap up, and then we ran. And then it says the double bottom reversal pattern is a heavily used charting reversal pattern. Another similar and popular bottom reversal pattern is the head and shoulders pattern, reverse head and shoulder pattern. The opposite of the double bottom is the bearish double top pattern. So that'd be where basically you flip this pattern on its head and you would have that M going like this, and then once you're coming down and you break that neckline, you would then therefore fall through. So this is the double bottom. This is something to look for, look at, and I wanted to show you on Litecoin quick a good example of a double bottom. So just be patient here with me, guys. I'm going to clear some stuff off. Just been looking at the charts recently. Okay, I want to show this to you and show you kind of what happens when these double bottoms take place. All right, get our Bollinger Bands off there. So guys, what we had here, let's stretch this out a little bit more so you can really see. So when Litecoin crashed, we came all the way down to $106. You can see right here, and then we went back up to $174 before crashing back down again to that 104, 105, and this was slightly higher than that last one, like we said. And what happened after that? We had a breakout. So that's really important to pay attention to these double bottoms, because they can really show you when to put your money in. And like with this double bottom here, think if you got in around 120 or so and you were able to ride this up to 250, you see this shooting star here, and you see some of the other Western indicators that go along with it, and before you know it, there's the sell-off. So you basically could have went from $105 up to $254 just by identifying this double bottom, because it's really important to pay attention to that. And you can also have triple bottoms as well. So just keep an eye out for this pattern, guys. I wanted to bring it to you. Litecoin right now is at $136.56. So we just kind of been moving sideways, just kind of waiting to see what happens. It's kind of a no trade zone right now, at least for me. I'm waiting just to see kind of a break to the upside is what I feel like is going to happen here. I don't know when it's going to happen. It could be a week, could be a month from now, but I know the upside break is going to be happening soon. And you can also see on the sell-off we've had that declining volume a little bit as well. So just pay attention to these things, guys, and I wanted to bring this to you. Continue to study. I'm trying to study as hard as I can, and I want you guys along with me, and let's just keep it up, guys. God bless each and every one of you. Take care and be safe.